Sony's heritage has been rooted in technology and engineering, our portfolio have enhanced to the field of entertainment from music, movie, game and network services, and more. With this unique background, as well as the advanced technologies, your Xperia device is not simply a smartphone. I would call it is the ultimate entertainment device. Today, we are excited to introduce two new entertainment devices from a flagship family packed with the latest Sony technologies, providing an immersive entertainment experiences that you're going to love. They are XZ2, excuse me. I'm too excited. And Xperia XZ2 Compact. Should show you the background of it. The XZ2 features a stunning extended 5.7-inch display with HDR. And Xperia XZ2 Compact is the world's smallest or most compact smartphone with a 5-inch display, also with an HDR. We want to provide you an immersive viewing experience with our high dynamic range display. And also, you can upscale your content to through an X reality processor and upscale it to a near HDR quality and enjoy it surround sound with industry-leading front-facing stereo speakers. Your experience will further expand with our new and unique dynamic vibration system that enables you to feel what you are watching. By analyzing the audio data, our dynamic vibration system intelligently turns the audio signal and the vibration so that you can enjoy the feel, the excitement, whether it's streaming movies or watching the music videos or playing games. While we focus on leveraging the Sony's advanced technologies to deliver a powerful entertainment experience, we also are focused on convergence of content and technology. So it is my pleasure to introduce the CTO of Sony Pictures Entertainment to talk a little bit more about the premium content and technology that makes it possible. Please join me in welcoming the Sony Pictures Entertainment Chief Technology Officer, Don Eklund.
Thanks, Bernie. Thank you for the warm welcome and greetings to all of you here at First Mobile World Congress. I'm happy to be here to talk about a cutting-edge technology that impacts my industry. It's been rewarding to work on new products and formats before they reach consumers. And what I want to talk to you about now represents one of the biggest advances in picture quality for the home in years. This list of Sony Pictures titles represents our commitment to delivering the finest possible entertainment experience to consumers. These titles have all been made available in 4K high dynamic range, with dramatic improvement in picture quality on capable devices. In case you haven't had the opportunity to experience HDR for yourselves, here's an image to help demonstrate it. Now, because we're using an LED wall instead of an HDR television, the results might be somewhat less than what you could expect to see in your home, but you get the idea. The SDR image on the left looks good, but it does not convey the deeper blacks and the dynamic contrast shown in the HDR image. Over time, it's been a pleasure to see dramatic improvements in picture quality, from analog VHS to digital DVD, standard definition to high definition, and now the availability of high dynamic range in place of standard dynamic range. When it's introduced for the first time, you see eyes widen and interest peak. Sony has been a part of advancing image technology for decades, with, for example, essential technology like image sensors. The company's products start at the camera lens and continue all the way to the living room. Now with Xperia smartphones, you can see extraordinary pictures from lens to the palm of your hand. Whether it's a motion picture, a TV episode, a live sports event, you can carry a phone that delivers something special. I'm also excited to learn that you'll be able to capture stunning video quality with these next generation handsets. I hope you will enjoy creating cutting-edge images with Xperia smartphones, which bring a level of realism never before seen in a handheld product. I know I will. Thank you.
Thank you, Don. It's truly impressive how Sony has fully embraced the convergence of content and technology. While Don had showcased the picture quality advancement in the professional field of content creation, we are bringing the HDR technology to the palm of your hand with our Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact. We are pushing our technology boundaries even further with our advanced motion eye camera system, taking the movie recording to the extreme. Both models comes with the world's first 4K HDR movie recording in the smartphone. It gives you the ability to capture life in breathtaking detail within very vivid colors and contrast. As Don mentioned, we are cascading the professional quality to consumers to enable unique shooting experience. You can enjoy the video clips you captured on any compatible 4K HDR TV, smartphones, and of course, you can enjoy easy sharing on YouTube in native quality. And I'm sure I don't need to remind you about our incredible super slow motion recording at 960 frames per second, which we already introduced last year. Since then, the photographers around the world have been amazing us with their stunning creatives. And now we are taking the quality to the next level by offering full HD capability. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, with our 3D creator, you can now bring your selfie itself to life in 3D. And post your interactive 3D selfie directly on your Facebook timeline. And finally, it's just important to mention the other essentials that help optimize the entertainment experiences, including the cutting-edge latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform with up to 1.2 gigabit per second high-speed connectivity, also a best-in-class battery life, and wireless charging. Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact will start shipping globally next month. We are pushing the boundaries even further with the new products for movie recording, viewing, and music listening, offering you an entertainment to the extreme. But now we are not at the finish line yet. So taking this opportunity, we want to say that we are continuing to challenge and innovate to bring you more unique experiences in the future. We are now excited to give you a sneak preview of our newest innovative technologies. Our new camera technology has the power to reveal the unseen, including the images in extreme dark conditions. With newly developed dual camera and Sony's fusion image signal sensor for real-time processing, you'll be able to capture images in extreme dark conditions. This ultimate camera technology achieves ultra-high sensitivity of unprecedented ISO 12x800 for video and 51-200 for photos, currently only possible with interchangeable lens cameras. Now you have to be careful what you do in the dark. Now stay tuned for more to come. Now with that, I'd like to thank you very much for joining us today. And now I want to welcome all of you to enjoy and check by yourself the world of extreme entertainment enabled by the Sony's technologies and innovations. Thank you very much once again, and have a great show.